Hi, Malay here. Today we learn how we can add gamification features in our community tab under GoHighlevel. This is one of the great features introduced in GoHighlevel. Through this, you can increase your engagements of your customers, increase your engagement of your audiences, and many more. If you want to configure all the settings, first of all, you have to go to your sub account. After going to sub account, you have to go to the membership tab, then community. Under your membership there is community where you can get the access of your group. When you enter into your group you will find there is several sections, that is discussion, learning, members, leaderboard. To connect your gamification features, first of all you have to go to your settings, and after that you will get the labs tab where you can turn on your gamification feature, that is community gamification with all new UI experiences. This is already turned on. If there is turned off, then you can go for the turn on. When you will get it turned on, then automatically the feature, that is leadership board, will come at your community, at your group. There are group details, subscription details, branding. If there is need to change your have icon or cover image, logo, all these things, you can do this. Membership questions, if you want to add any membership question, and gamification reward. If you go to the gamification part, and you can add it as per your requirement. Under these gamification features, you can announce that anyone, any group member who will go for any likes or comments, he can earn 1 point. Like that way, any persons or any group member earns 5 points, they can achieve the level up. This is the systems, and for these systems, the group engaging behavior will increasing, and your group will be more active and engaging. You can add your level one. You can name, add your name. Suppose level one is MBS, then you can add weird. And this is all about gamification features in your Go High Level. It will make your group engagements smooth, and it will make you more active in your group. Thank you.